Hi, I have received the question if it's possible to laminate pastel drawings. So let's test it. I will try it here if it is working or not. So most times I place my pastel portraits behind glass and mount it into a frame. So I frame them with a mount and they are protected very well and they look fine and they look beautiful. But let's try if it is possible to laminate them. I have here some same drawings. I have drawn these eyes in workshops I did in the past time. So let's try it with one of these eyes or with two of these eyes. Let's try it out. Let's make a test. Let's put them into a laminate pouch. So I place them into here, into this laminate pouch, and let's try it out. Okay, here we have the laminating machine and our eye drawings. Let's test it. It is working. So they are coming out of the machine. Let's see how they look like. So I must say I'm surprised in a positive way. It really worked well, I must say. It's a little bit glossy because here the film, the laminating pouches over the drawing, but when I have a look here, all the colors are beautiful and all the details are there, so it looked nice if you have so little cards as I have here and you did some tutorials, some drawing lessons, you have lots of them. It could be a great way to store them or to protect them. You see a little bit here on this ginger cat eye, I see a little bit of the structure of the film here over it, so of the laminating pouch. So yes, either you like it or not. These are the originals without any laminate pouch over it, and I like them better, I must say. And for bigger portraits I would recommend to use a frame, so mount them with a mount and put them behind glass into a frame. But if you would like to store and protect such little cards that you have drawn during drawing lessons, for practicing, for exercises, I must say I can recommend it, but there are better ways to store them. They are now really well protected, nothing can smear, nothing can happen anymore. So it's a great way then if you want to try it, but I think it's not possible to remove the laminate pouch, otherwise all the pigments would stick on the film on that laminate pouch, so I think it's not possible. Let's try it if we can remove the pouch. So let's do it here. Let's make a try what happens. Let's make a try to remove the laminating film. And yes, all the pigments here stick to the film, so you can see it here very beautifully. It looks funny, but the upper layer of the portrait was removed here and it's not so beautiful anymore. All the nice details are gone. They are here on the laminating film, so it is not working to remove the laminate pouches after laminating. You can do it to protect your drawings here. It's a nice way to do, but I would suggest just to put your pastel drawings in a frame behind glass, then they are protected well. Or to store these small drawing cards or your small little pastel drawings in a place and put some glassine paper over them, or put them in an older photo album. That's also a possibility, and then they are protected well too. So it was worth to try it out. And finally, if you liked the video, I would encourage you to come to my drawing workshop September 6th to September 8th. It's a 3-day drawing workshop where we'll draw a dog eye. So you can see here lots of eyes. We will draw another dog eye there. If you like to draw eyes, if you would like to start drawing animals with pastels, or just refine your drawing skills, then join. You can find a link below.